Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy BWoody, back at it with another video. Now, I haven't posted a lot of videos recently because I got this whole move thing. I had an estate sale last weekend, sold almost all my furniture, and here we are with the Hellcat. We are on our way to Myrtle Beach. The car is permanently staying in Myrtle Beach. We're in Indiana. Yeah, Indiana. We're outside of Indianapolis. We left a day early to beat out the snow. They said they're going to get snow here tonight, so we're going to get jetting off and come enjoy the ride because it's going to be awesome. We're going to Myrtle Beach. It's like spring break down there. Spring break! And we got the Hellcat.
Hellcat with drag radials on a road trip.
Yeah, no. So we got the drag radials on this, and I have in the back the original stock tires just in case we get a flat, which I hope it does not happen. But I'm with Gucci Gavin.
We're in pothole country.
We're in pothole country, and I'm here with Gucci Gavin. What do you think,
What's
Gav?
up, man?
You ready for this trip?
I'm ready, man.
What do you think? How fast do you think we'll get there? Faster than we took the Jeep SRT?
We're going. We don't need roads.
I think we do. Let's get it started. It's a crazy thing to this trip. If you see my past video, I went to go to purchase a jet ski, and I haven't taken delivery yet, so I'm totally doing a 180 and not getting from the place in Illinois. We're gonna go tomorrow, and I'm getting Gucci Gavin a jet ski. I get a jet ski, and we're gonna do a deal down in South Carolina instead. There's a logistics, and it wouldn't be a good deal getting one in Illinois to be transferring all the way down to bus driving somewhere. Ridiculous. But then Saturday, tell the viewers, what are we doing on Saturday?
We're seeing Papa Roach.
We got like backstage passes.
Yeah, VIP tickets.
VIP tickets. So we're doing that.
See the bands.
And we're gonna go take a look at the house I'm buying. I've not seen it yet, so I'm gonna go take a look at seeing that. And then tomorrow looks like it's gonna be a nice day, so we're gonna go hit the beach up. Like we said earlier in the video, it's spring break, so
Sun's out, guns out.
Yeah.
Where the ladies at?
where the ladies at? So that's kind of the plan. And we got like
We'll get there at midnight if we don't stop.
If we don't stop, we'll get there at midnight tonight. So.
We know we're in the field pusher car. I think we can make it no stopping.
Man, it's crazy. We got a long drive ahead of us. So sit back, enjoy it. Let's get this video going.
And you know we're not an eco either.
Oh, what?
We're not an eco.
No, we're not an eco. I tell you, I had to laugh. And I don't want to call out the YouTube channel that does this, but they own a Hellcat. And they like to do reviews of cars. And they took their Hellcat on a road trip. And the whole time they're on eco mode. I'll tell you, we're going all out when we're this. No eco mode. We're in full on track mode. No traction control. And we're
Drag radio.
Drag radio.
Where's the drag strip at?
We're in race mode while we're on a road trip. So no eco mode, tippy toeing. Who cares how much gas mileage you get with this?
And then now this truck next to you.
This truck, everybody wants to race the Hellcat.
Like
This guy who being stuck. There was some guy from South Carolina had like a base model Challenger. He tried racing this. He's like, it's crazy, man. You know, it's a Hellcat. So, yeah, just got our way going down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We've done this road trip before. Make sure to check out the past videos. The first time we ever went to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for the Jeep SRT. So let's get this video going. And we got a lot of driving. I don't want to make this video become 12 hours long, so let's get cut and then we'll get to the good stuff later. You better give me a clip for this on my channel. So far, we are in Tennessee. Check this out, man. Crazy mountains. Nothing like back, well, I don't consider home. I'll be moving out a couple days out of Illinois, but I'll tell you, look at this. Tennessee, and I'll tell you, Myrtle Beach won't look like this either. Look at this shot of the Hellcat. But that is just, that's crazy. So, things running good. I'm shocked how much these tires are holding up for being, these are drag radials, not road trip tires. So, I'm with the Gucci. Got any reports of what's going on?
Long road trip.
Long road trip. We got a ways to go, so let's get back on that road. And this is the next part's gonna be awesome because we're gonna start going through the tunnels, mountains, and raw.
You know we're heading south when you see at the gas station some banjos.
Where's the banjo?
In the gas station for sale.
Really?
Yeah.
You gonna buy one?
Yeah.
Buy one. How much are they?
I don't know.
Go check. Buy a banjo. Let's.
Okay,
that's where it's gonna get interesting. You got your helmet with you?
What?
Where are these tunnels at?
I don't know how far.
Oh man, these people just.
We're in Norfolk.
Here we go.
Shit, some semis in the middle.
Breaker 5 here. That thing's smelling like crazy, smoking.